Welcome to today's daily message. I'm continuing my brief reflections on how Christ is present in the Eucharist. And today I want to talk about yet another of those presences, and that is the presence of Christ through the minister of the priest. The document from the Second Vatican Council says this. It's a difficult, the phrasing of the sentence is difficult, but I'll try to explain it. It says, the same now offering through the ministry of the priest who formerly offered himself on the cross. That's a complicated way of saying that Jesus, who offered himself on the cross, now is present yet again through the ministry of the priest, who is the celebrant of the Eucharist. So it is the priest who leads the celebration. The priest proclaims the gospel, and then in his homily breaks open the word of God for us so that we can both understand its meaning and apply it to our lives today. It is the priest who says the words of consecration, who repeats the words that Jesus spoke at the Last Supper. This is my body, this is my blood. And so, in that sense, the priest continues the work of Christ on earth today. And the priest is also, and this is one of the fundamental roles of the priest is a mediator. He is a go-between between Christ and the people of God. And so in the Eucharist, the priest represents God before us, and he represents us before God. So the priest is yet another of the presences of Christ in the Eucharist. Thank you so much for watching today. Tomorrow I'll be offering a reflection on the 4th of July, and then I'll continue on Friday with a further reflection on the presences of Christ in the Eucharist. Thank you for watching.